Okay, so here is Naturally by Nature at its finest. Over there is our soon-to-be healing studio for sessions of Reiki and crystal therapy and chair massage and a few other services. Our lovely peacock feathers. We'll just start over at the right. Take a look at some of our fine pottery and paintings. So much to see in here. Got a lot of soaps, oils. Some of our different kits. Some teas and dried herbs. A refrigerator full of yummy kombucha and eggs and fresh seasonal produce. All of our crystals. Jewelry rack. Pendulums and rings. Chakra jewelry, chakra stones. Selenite and rose quartz candle holders. This will be our space for the new lava jewelry line coming out. Here we have a lot of John's things that he does. The pouches and paintings. Over here is for our henna. The messy office area. And last but not least, our cabinet full of lovely, beautiful crystals and specimens and fossils. And there you have it, Naturally by Nature.